Alright, I think I started at 7. Anyways, it took me an hour and a half to do this little part. And I got this rest to do. In this pace, I can do that in another hour and a half, and another hour and a half, probably another half. So I got about, 3 hours and 30 minutes left. We'll see. Alright, actually went faster than I thought. It took an hour and a half to do that corner, which I will show in the pictures before this video. And it's probably taken less than 30 minutes to do 3/4 of this. So I guess I want to take 3 to 4 hours as I projected after the hour and a half I did. Anyways, I had to pull this border with the flathead screwdriver, pin back the nails, and I'll show you the update. Alright, I have to show you this process of me taking out. I use these scissors to pull it out. A lot of dust, so make sure you open your nose. And be careful with the nails. Alright, I might have to close it pretty soon because this door is in the way. As long as I get this cut. See, my gloves are ripping already. Alright, reached the end. Praise the Lord. And there's nails, so I'm gonna use a little hammer. I'll put it back where these. I think there's one more nail. I've been using these flathead screwdrivers to lift up the staples. Then I get a little, take it out, and I have a garbage next to me. I don't have it right now, but I usually do that. Alright, for the sake of time, I gotta close the video.